welcome back to another episode from Kotek TV. Today we will showcase a PC case newly released from Tecware, which is itong VX Prism. And today, ipapakita natin and i-showcase yung pros and cons and features ng ating PC case. I-weigh natin kung worth it pa siya, kung okay ba yung features. To find out, stay tuned on the video. As we all know, Tecware is known for releasing quality yet affordable products. That will be the main focus for today's video. I-feature natin to si Tecware VX Prism and titignan natin kung okay ba yung mga features na inad nila dito sa PC case na ito. So for my first impression on the PC case, very slick in design. Couldn't appreciate yung free natin na light strip. Most cases don't have that sa mga PC case na nasa market right now. Meron din tayo sa taas ng lighting niya. And pasok na pasok to sa mga players and yun nga, mga builders natin na mahilig sa lightings. For the space, very wide, marami kang mai-fit na parts and yun nga, hindi ka mahihirapang pumili ng parts dito sa PC case na to. As for the build quality, yun nga, as expected from Tecware. Makapal yung metal, hindi mo siya madaling i-bend, and not like the other PC cases na yun nga, konting pihit mo lang, bebend na siya. So without further ado, let's dive into the features of this PC case. So first and foremost, dimensions muna tayo ng ating PC case. For its length, naabot tayo ng around 17 inches. As for the width, naabot tayo ng around 11 inches. As for the height, bale, aabot tayo ng around 15 inches. Okay, so next up natin, tatanggalin natin yung mga panels kasi sigurado ako tatanong din to ng mga clients natin, yung mga gustong bumili, kung natatanggal ba yung 3 panels natin na glass. So, yes, removable siya and yun nga, papakita natin kung paano siya ma-disassemble right now. So, as for our front panel, ang gagawin lang natin is remove yung screw sa likod and then yung front panel natin is magnetic top part. So, all you gotta do is pull out. Ayan, like that. And then pull up. As for the top panel naman, tatanggalin lang natin yung dalawang screw sa taas. All you gotta do is pull back and then lift to remove the top. As for our front panel, ang gagawin lang natin is remove 2 screws. One here at the bottom and one here at the top. After that, all you have to do is pull up and remove the panel. Okay, ngayon tapos na tayo sa panels and sa measurements, dumako naman tayo sa lightings niya. So, about the lightings, meron tayo dito LED strip, up and bottom. Meron din tayong LED fans na pre-installed na. So, kasama na. So, for the next part of our video, i-feature natin yung back part and ito yung itsura niya sa likod. Unfortunately, meron tayong isang mami-mention na cons dito. This PC case doesn't include yung ating hub. And naglagay lang tayo dito para mapakita natin yung lightings. So, that's one little lang naman na cons ng ating PC case. Dito sa ating front panel, meron tayong makikitang 3.0 na USB port. Meron tayong dalawang 2.0 regular na USB port. Meron tayong audio jack for headsets. Meron din tayong reset button and meron tayong power button. So, one of our cons on this PC case is, yun nga, nakikita nyo naman sa front panel niya, wala tayong USB Type-C, which is very common na sa mga newer released cases natin today. For this case, meron na rin tayo included na tatlong 120mm na fans, 2 in the front and 1 at the back. Bale, intake natin yung dalawa sa harap and exhaust natin yung nasa likod. And thankfully, merong nag-order sa atin ng PC build. And gagamitin natin itong VX Prism for that build. Bubuuan natin siya ng buong system unit and we will have the first look kung paano ba yung itsura niya with our parts. So, without further ado, let's proceed to the parts to be used on our PC case. Okay, so very quick na lang tayo sa ating PC specs na gagamitin natin for this PC case. Gagamitin natin processor, Ryzen 7 97X. For the GPU, ang gagamitin natin is RX 79XT, 20 gigs. 350mm triple fan from Asus. Ang gagamitin nating motherboard for this PC case is Mat-X type siya, Gigabyte B650M gaming Wi-Fi. For the RAMs, classic lang tayo, Lexar Aries DDR5 32GB. For our boot drive, Kingston NV3 1TB na PCIe 4.0. For our cooling solution, ang gagamitin naman natin is Idcooling Zoomflow 240XT. For our PSU, ang gagamitin natin is FSP Hydro GT Pro 850 watts gold. And last but not the least, ang centerpiece natin para sa build na ito, ang ating Tecware VX Prism black variation. And that's it! Let's proceed to the build!
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We're gonna light it up now.
Okay, so final thoughts on our PC case. Very pleasing to the eye, first and foremost. Very aesthetic siya with all the lightings and stuff. Malaki yung space natin sa likod for cable management, so medyo ease of building na rin na part dun sa side na yun. For the inside of our PC case, so mga nag-fit dito, kitang-kita naman. Sa ating GPU, kaya natin mag-fit dito ng around 350mm or triple fan setup ng mga GPUs, which is yun yung normal sa mga high-powered na GPU natin. Kailangan nila ng extra cooling. Sakto rin naman kasi naka-mesh tayo sa ilalim, so yung airflow andun pa rin. For the cooling system naman, ang ginamit natin is front-oriented na AIO 240mm. Yun lang yung kaya natin for our PC case, which is Yun na yung max kasi MATX format tayo. So I do recommend this PC case, no, since very cheap siya for the amount of add-ons na meron dito sa ating PC case. Meron tayo dito add-on na 3 pieces na fans, so both PWM and ARGB na rin. And meron din tayong free na LED strip na very aesthetic na natatagpuan dun sa taas and dun sa bottom part ng ating PC case. So, lahat ng ating mga parts dito, yung mga lighting natin ARGB. So, pwede nyo silang i-address either sa app or kung meron kayong LED hub, pwede rin. Kung may remote control, pwede rin. Okay, so that's it. Kung gusto nyo pa makakita ng mga gandong contents from us, just like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, GoTech TV. Sa mga gustong umorder, meron tayo dyang Shopee and Lazada. So for the Lazada, meron kaming GoTech Microbiz page. And for the Shopee, meron tayong Mr. Shopman page. So check nyo silang both. For the Facebook naman, kung gusto nyo mag-reach out, gusto nyo mag-contact sa amin, meron kami ng page. Same din sa Lazada. GoTech Microbiz, contact nyo lang kami dyan. So for more videos like this, just comment and subscribe to our channel, GoTech TV. No? And kung mayroon kayong mga suggestion kung ano yung mga gusto nyo pa-review sa amin, as long as nasa amin yung stock, just comment down below. And till next time.